sitting out here in the garage. Just don't have enough light for these videos. I've got the garage door open now. So what I am attempting to do is take these, basically they're LED pot lights, and put them inside of one of these clamp lights. It's an 8.5-inch clamp light. Should be able to clamp it on and then redirect the light where I need it. So what I'm going to do is pop this thing here apart and then try to set it down inside of here. These shouldn't get hot with LEDs. I'm going to have to watch the temperature, but probably just use some double-sided tape for now just to pop it in place. But let's see what we have here. Taking these ones out. I have tested these as well, so they're, I'll show you here. You may be able to see this. Just going to give off a good light. I don't need the whole bracket part, and the plastic diffuser's gone off of this one. I don't know what happened to that. It must have broken when they were installing it, and threw this off to the side.
Here's the unit itself.
I was kind of hoping this was sealed on there. It is not. Maybe a couple, throw some hot glue or something on it just to stick it in place. What I'm looking for now is to be able to set this. I'm just going to tuck these through the side here temporarily. But I want that to sit down in here. I'm going to have to play around with it a bit just to get it centered. See the best way to mount that. Alright, I went around looking for some plastic, didn't really see what I wanted, so at this point I'm just going to try it with some cardboard. Cut it out so that it'll fit somewhat into the top of that. I'm just going to use some double-sided tape to slap that in there. Temporary measure. There's probably some heat buildup in this. I think that's heat sink, or heat, yeah, thermal paste. Alright, I'm going to try it, see how warm it gets. If it's too warm, I'm going to have to mount it on metal. Which I may end up cutting this out. So put that in place. Next, we need to get it down into here. Let's see how it looks. See how much light I'm going to get out of this. A little more tinkering here. I'm going to cut out for now, find a glue gun, and I'll be back again. Found the glue gun. Let's put a couple drops of glue over here. So I ended up splicing this together, put some heat shrink around it, made sure I had the white for the black for the hot, and the white for the neutral. Now, I'm just going to stick this side in here. See if I can do it without burning myself on the glue gun. I'm going to do something like that. Now, I'll test this before I go ahead and glue everything in place, just to make sure everything's working. See, you get a pretty bright light there. Probably have to put a shade over it, depending on what I'm going to video. But it works, so I'm happy with that. So, glue gun's heating up. I'm going to try to stick this in without burning myself. Got it glued in place. Let's plug it in again. There we go. This will help, definitely help with the lighting. Got another one to do here. Actually, I got two more. I just wanted to try. I only bought 2 of these cones because that's all they had at Walmart. They were $6 something, like $7 for this. So, not too bad. I got the lights for nothing, as they were abandoned, left when they were doing the construction. So this gives me some cheap lighting for my videos. I think that's going to be bright enough, especially if I have a couple of them going. Should just be there to light up what I need. Again, with the clamps on them, a little adjustable. I'll be able to clamp this onto the microphone stand that I'm using, and be able to position and adjust the lights where I want them. One thing I'm going to watch is keep an eye on as well as the heat. Like I said, as I noticed, you just grab the base. It almost looks like there's some thermal paste there, or it's either thermal paste or just powder coating that didn't get baked in, which is a possibility as well. So keep an eye out, see how warm this gets. Just a little update. I actually plugged this in and let it run for a while, and these LEDs get super hot. They get so hot that it melted the glue, and this part here dropped right off. So I'm going to try to run it just in open. Open like that should keep it a little cooler. Let's see what happens here now. Oops, wrong plug. Let's try the right one. There we go. I'll plug it in, let it run for a while. Still get good coverage of light. I gotta make sure that the glue doesn't let go and melt like it did over the lens. So it's just a little update with my testing.